Here's how to get one of these to get working again when they stop working. Here this razor stopped running. I would push this lever up and these weren't spinning. So what I did is I got a screwdriver like this, a really small Phillips screwdriver. I took out these screws and you see that's where they ended up. This long screw was here at the bottom, at the base, and these two smaller screws were here near the head and here on the other side of the head. After removing those screws, you can take this apart and I'll show you. See, it comes apart like this. This is what it looks like. And I cleaned this switch here. Let's show you the other side. This side also comes apart. They're actually mirror images of each other. And this is the switch that I cleaned. You see it comes out. This switch comes out. See how it comes out? I cleaned this switch because it seems like if it gets dirty or jammed, you can't pull the switch all the way up. And I just cleaned it with paper, tissue paper, paper clip, whatever you can, blowing on it, clean that switch. So then I put it together, back together. Actually, I didn't put the screws in yet because I wanted to test it first. So before even putting the screws back in, put it together and plug this in, and you'll see that if you get it working, then great, that's awesome. So that's first step in getting it back to working. The second step is these things get all dirty, and even this part gets really dirty, so clean this off. I use this brush to clean it, but actually even better probably would be the little brush that it comes with. There's a little brush that it comes with. I lost it, so I don't have it anymore. But even better than this would be if I used a old toothbrush. I didn't have any old toothbrush handy, so I didn't do it. I used that instead, but those bristles come out. Old toothbrush would have been better. But of course, even the best one was the little brush that comes with this razor. Okay, and the other thing to clean out are these. These were really dirty. So what I did, I found, like, I have this cup. I didn't want to lose them. So what I did is I put them inside this cup, closed the lid, and shook it, like put water in there and shook it really hard like this. And that cleaned these things pretty well. And it's good because this lid prevents it from flying out, but it does allow the water to drain. It just happens to be a lid that has a little opening that allows water to drain, but not the item, not the little blades. And then the last thing to clean are these. These were really gooky. They had gook. I don't know of the scientific term for the gook, but it's sticky stuff. So I use this paper clip to remove this junk that was in here. That gets stuck, and that also prevents your razor from running. Okay, so that's how you clean and fix this razor, Norelco.